While the state says in order to charge others, it still needs to obtain an expanded racketeering certificate from the National Director of Public Prosecutions. It cited delays due to COVID-19.
In order to add the additional accused, we need to obtain an expanded racketeering certificate in addition to the ones on which the accused before court have been arraigned. We finalized the indictment at the end of November last year, as well as the application to the National Director of Public Prosecution to add the additional accused. Unfortunately, because of positive COVID cases, as well as people that formed part of the initial panel of the National Director of Public Prosecutions, she was unable to convene the panel to hear the application for the additional accused to be added. That has not been done up to the moment.
It was only the lawyer representing Abashoni Ramakosi, accused number 6, who objected to the postponement, accusing the state of using the COVID-19 pandemic as an excuse.
This application by the state must fail. This is one case where there's been commission, investigations, and they've been undergoing. My colleague for the state cannot rely and say because of COVID-19, they've not been able to do certain things, because this case did not start in COVID, during COVID-19. Actually, accused persons were charged and arrested and charged during COVID. That didn't matter at the time, that they would even be risking the health of the accused person, but still that happened. Now, the same circumstance, so it's like nothing has changed. It's the same thing.
But the presiding officer disagreed.
We are living in extraordinary times, which requires of all of us to, in a sense, have to adjust our normal course of lives around the pandemic. It is not an unreasonable request by the state. This appears to be the only hurdle that keeps the state from joining the additional suspects. Once that certificate has been obtained, they will then proceed with the apprehending and appearance of the additional accused persons. The time limit that the state has set is not unreasonable, and I think fairness and the interest of justice dictates that the court grants the state this remand.
Well, the state says at the next appearance it will apply for the matter to be transferred to the High Court. The bail of all the accused has been extended. Chris Alder Lewis, SABC News, at the Commercial Crimes Court sitting in Palmridge.